Hey, what's up? This is Rob from Panther. I'm gonna show you how to do this halftone stuff in Photoshop. So this is not gradient. This is not the gradient approach. As you can see, the halftone is going all the way round and round. And today I'm gonna show you how to do this stuff. I got like two versions. This is the more dense, smaller circle, and this is the bigger one, which is like more interesting. You know, if you start scaling down, it starts to look like this. And this, it's interesting. It's an interesting effect. I'm gonna show you how it's done. I'm gonna press the T, and we're gonna. Should I do it with this text? I don't even know. Oh my god, so annoying with this mic in here. Anyways, so I'm gonna need to select a type. I'm gonna go with which one was that? So I'm gonna increase this. All right, so the next step would be double click on the font, and from here click on the drop shadow. So you add some shadow, and make sure you're gonna, where's the shadow? So basically click on the drop shadow, so this way you can see the options. Now let's change it from dark gray. Right now I have dark gray. I'm gonna put it on pure black. I'm gonna increase the opacity. Okay, let me bring it like 100%. The distance 0. Spread 0. Size. I'm gonna increase the size. Something around this. Actually, the spread, I'm gonna also increase this one, so interesting. I'm gonna add like 9. That's pretty good. Click OK. From here, I'm going to, let me check. Make sure you select also the white background. So you press and hold Shift and you select, so basically it's on the text. You press and hold Shift and you also select the background, right click, and you merge layers. So as you can see, it's like one layer together. And now we go to filter, pixelate, color halftone, and there you go. Make sure the channels are on 0000. So basically the channels are, to modify the circles or add colors to the circles with different circle colors. Anyways, it's like a little bit more complicated. The max radius is the how bigger or smaller you want the circles to be. The 13 is like pretty small. I'm gonna click OK, and it's gonna do it like this. It's kind of difficult to understand, so I'm thinking to decrease the circles. I'm gonna press Ctrl Z and go back filter, pixelate, color halftone. I'm gonna go with 5. I don't know. Snap. This is not good. So the main idea is to test it out, because there's no previous button, so you can preview this. So this is it. Basically, this is how you achieve it. This one looks pretty good. And yeah, this is it. Thanks for watching, and check out the other videos as well. Have a good one. Bye bye.